Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll be working on the CLK and we'll demonstrate how to remove and replace the battery on that thing. Stay with us and we'll show you what you need to do, guys, how we do it. Thank you for watching. More than 100 videos on this Mercedes will be on our channel and many more vehicles as well. So please subscribe, we'll help you save some money in the future. You need to open the trunk. If the trunk is closed and the battery is dead, we have the video on our channel how to open the trunk so you can get to the battery. Then you need to remove that carpet in the trunk area. You can see folded and just pull it out. This is where your battery is located. We need a 13mm socket with extension so we can remove that bolt there. This is for the bracket. Okay, once you remove it, you can see this is the bolt and the bracket. That's how it goes, like that. Next we'll need a 13mm wrench for the battery clamps. Okay, so we got one out of the way, now the other one. What you need to do next, you need to grab it. It's very heavy. Wear gloves because if there is acid on the battery, it's gonna get on you. And it's not good stuff, so always wear gloves. So that's the battery out of the vehicle now, guys. So we're ready to install it now. All we need to do, guys, just get it there, get it in place. You need to make sure it's where it's supposed to be. And one important thing, stay with us, what else you need to do. You need to connect now. This is the breather hose for the acid. If it comes out, it's going to go through that hose out of the vehicle so you don't breathe that stuff. Okay, you're going to connect the clamps and use a 13mm wrench. Okay, perfect. And something else we need to do. We're going to use, once we get the clamps tight, what we're going to use is this one right here, battery corrosion preventative. Let me focus a little bit. Really good stuff. We have the links, guys, on our website, all the materials and everything that we use for every video. We're adding content daily, so if you want to check it out, you can check the links for Amazon. Okay. Right there. Now we're going to spray those so they don't have any corrosion. Okay, you can see just like that, everything looks great. So we're going to install the carpet piece now, close it, make sure everything functions good. You might have to reset a few things because after a battery replacement, but other than that, the vehicle should be able to run and drive fine. You will have to reset the steering sensor. You have to go all the way to the left, to the right, and that's one of the things that you need to take care of. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.